Hello friends, family, and beauty pageant contestants. My name is Leia, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Tunisian crochet hooks that I got secondhand off of Mercari. Now, if you don't know what Mercari is a reseller website where people like you and me can sell their things to other people to buy, like me. I go there a lot for like discontinued yarns and crochet hooks that are no longer that are uncommon to review for you guys. So today we're going to be reviewing, I got the little package right here. I already took it out. I got the package right here, and we're going to be reviewing these Tunisian crochet hooks. Now, the reason why I picked these up specifically is because I've never seen these Tunisian crochet hooks, and they're metal. They're double-ended metal Tunisian crochet hooks. Now, the only metal Tunisian crochet hooks that I have is going to be the Susan Bates ones, and I've never seen any like this. And if you know, I prefer metal hook over wood. Now, I love my Lantern Moon Tunisian crochet hooks, and they could also be converted to double-ended, but I've just never seen these before. So I wanted to go ahead and grab them off Mercari. The person who sold them to me was really nice, and this was really affordable. For 3 Tunisian crochet hooks, I think she sold it to me for like $5. Like, come on. What? So before we get started, if you are watching this video right now and you like crochet content as well as yarn content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you like what you're seeing, and make sure to comment down below what are your thoughts. And I want to know, do you also use secondhand websites and secondhand resellers? Do you also sell on like Mercari and Etsy? I would love to know down below. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video or go live. Lately I've been going live a lot. We've been doing Testing Tuesday with my friend Sarah Beth, who is also a Tunisian crocheter, and we do like live streams, just chit-chatting as we are testing a pattern for a crochet artist. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and all that other good stuff. So let's get into the video now. It's still bubble wrap. She packaged this very nicely, I will say. So these are crochet on the double, right? This is what they look like. I've never seen this brand before. Oh, okay, so on the back of it, right, it says Annie's Attic, www.anniesattic.com. I might have to look up that website. And it's a division of Dynamic Resource Group from Big Sandy, Texas, made in Taiwan, patent pending. And these come in like their own little cases. I'm not gonna lie, these look like brand new. It doesn't say like what year they are or what year they were made, but I have a G hook, which is a 4mm. I have a H hook, which is a 5mm, and I have a 6.5 or a K, which is a 6.5mm, which I'm gonna be honest, these are my most used hook sizes. But let's take it out and see what's going on. I'm gonna take out the G hook. All right. Okay, so first thing I noticed is they do swivel. They are metal. I'm assuming this might be aluminum, right? It is smooth. They do have Annie's, I don't know if you guys are gonna see it right there, but it says anniesaddict.com. It's brushed. It does have a nice point, not pointed but not too pointed. And with Tunisian crochet hooks, I don't know if you, I'm just pulling up a what is this, Susan Bates hook, so you can see. Well, this is a 5. Maybe I should pull up the 5. But as you can see right here, you want that like rounded off notch for your thread. This kind of sort of has it, not as much as this one, but you see, just comparing the two. It does swivel independently. Now this cord is stiff. Oh boy, so you will have to boil some hot water and dip it in there to kind of stretch it out. I think because it's been in this case for a long time, it kind of has that memory to it. Now the ends of these are a bit tarnished. I'm assuming this is some type of copper, but if you're looking at it, it does move independently, and these are some thick cords. But yeah, not too bad. I'm gonna put the 4 back in here. I'm gonna look at the other ones just really quickly. The case that it comes in looks like you could put it on a binder. This is what the 5 looks like. Double-ended. Once again, I've never seen this before. So they do have anniesaddict.com. However, like embossed engraved in it. However, I'm very surprised that it does not have anywhere on these hooks the size of the hooks. Now, because these sizes are very like drastic, like a 4 and a 5, obviously you can tell the difference, and then a 6.5, you can tell the difference. I'm just really surprised the sizing isn't on here anywhere. Here is this 5. I'm gonna compare sizes. This 5 and this 5, so you can see the difference more. Not gonna lie, they kind of look. This one definitely has a more rounded end. So maybe if you're using yarn that splits, you might want to go with this one that has a more rounded end. But yeah, just looking at them. I mean, this isn't really a review. I am going to do a test with it. Now, a lot of... Oh, it just broke off. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not mad. That did easily come out. It does look like a hollow tube. I'm pretty sure I can glue that back. I'm not doing a review. I'm honestly not saying like buy these, because I don't even think these are sold anymore. I might have to look on a website and see if these are available, but it did just break off. Now, a lot of you might be mad at this statement that I'm about to say, but are these I don't know. These are not Suella Tunisian Crochet dupe. No, I don't think so, because hers are definitely corded and interchangeable and don't fall apart. But yeah, I bought these because I've never seen Tunisian crochet that look like this. All right, so I'm gonna grab some yarn and we're going to test this out. All right, so I just did a couple rows and I'm just using some worsted weight scrap yarn, and these are the 6.5 millimeter double-ended Tunisian crochet hooks that I'm using now. So I already did my forward pass with this blue color, and I'm gonna be on it. I mean, I'm just doing a small swatch. So if you don't know Tunisian crochet in the round, you do on one side of the hooks, you do in the forward pass, and then with the other one you do the return pass. So right now the purple is the return pass, and normally I would do swatches a lot bigger, but I don't know. So working with these hooks is not bad, right? They are a substantial size, and I think they're longer than a regular Tunisian crochet hook, because a regular Tunisian crochet hook is about 6 inches long. Let me measure it real quick. I should have probably did this before I started. But the feel of it, it feels like a lot longer. So this is me being raw and real with you guys. It's 8 inches. It's 7 inches workable, but it's 8 inches in total hook length. So, and the swivel is nice. I did have to boil some water and heat up these cords because they were just super curly and very determined to stay in that shape. Once again, I don't know how old these are, but they are very nice. I did, when I looked at it in like some better lighting, I did notice that there was some nicks and scratches and the paint coming off. And also both of these were 2 different colors. You see there's some damage, but like I said, I think these are very old crochet hooks. But I mean, for $5, and if you're just learning how to Tunisian crochet, especially Tunisian crochet in the round, which is really good for hats, scarves, and if you're working on sleeves and you're doing color work, or even just regular Tunisian crochet in the round to make a continuous tube like shape, then that's why you would need double-ended hooks. You can do Tunisian crochet in the round without it being corded. However, and these are pretty long. Like, I'm thinking these are definitely made for like sweaters. You know what I'm saying? Like, sweaters is what like, the size of these and the length is definitely giving me like these are made for sweater vibes. But the like, the hook itself is really nice. I'm not finding that it's splitting or like, it's not too sharp, so it's not splitting up my yarn. And the hook shape is really nice. And it's just overall a really nice design for this Tunisian crochet hook. I don't do a lot of Tunisian crochet in the round. I'm sorry, this is like like I said, I don't do a lot of Tunisian crochet in the round, so I don't really have the need for double-ended cords. But this cord is very long. Just working with it, it is kind of cumbersome. But I'm definitely thinking like this was definitely made for like sweaters, working sweaters in the round, or making like hats. But I don't know whose head would be that big to where they need, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of interested in maybe hearing from you guys what I would need a super long double-ended corded Tunisian crochet hook for. So all in all, if you ever see these like at a thrift store, or if your grandma maybe has these, I would pick them up. I mean, why not? They were super cheap. For their price, I think it was well worth it. $5 for all 3 of these, and to have something that probably nobody else has right now. Because I feel like there's definitely a need for all metal Tunisian crochet hooks that have a swivel to them. I probably wouldn't use this plastic because I did have to heat up some water to try to get the plastic to be more bendy and straight. But storing them like this is just gonna put it back in that shape that we all hate. But these were really cool to play with. I'm not gonna lie, they were really fun to work with, and I think it's fun to have something that nobody else has. These are giving a Suella Tunisian crochet vibe. However, those are single-ended and they cost $180 for a whole set. But they're really cool to have. I was thinking when I saw that the other one broke off, the cord broke off, that I was thinking like, what if I find a cord that could fit in here and then I like super glue it together? I don't know. I'm thinking of MacGyvering a single Tunisian crochet hook out of this. What do y'all think? I want to know. I want to know. Is it possible? Have y'all did it? But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I really want to know your opinions and thoughts about these down in the comment section below. Like, I really want to know what you guys think of these. If you liked this video, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to see more crochet and yarn content, definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell on your way out so you can be notified every single time that I post a new video or go live. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.